God bless you. It's always a joy to come into your homes. Have you ever noticed how confidence can vanish with just one setback or harsh word? We chase self-worth through achievements and approval, but it never lasts. Today, let's discover a confidence rooted not in what you do, but in who you belong to, the Creator of the universe. When you anchor your identity in Him, you'll find a strength and peace that can't be shaken. Stay with me. Your best days are still ahead. In John's Gospel, Jesus says, "I am the bread of life." Bread is basic nourishment. Without it, we grow weak. Jesus is saying, "I am your spiritual sustenance." Too often, we tie our worth to our productivity, hustling for approval and chasing validation. But that kind of confidence is fragile. One bad day, and it crumbles. Jesus invites us to a different table. Stop trying to earn your worth. Come to me. His love and acceptance aren't based on your performance. They're a free gift. When you start your day with this truth, you're not striving for acceptance, you're living from it. Your value isn't determined by your to-do list or your failures. It's defined by the simple fact that you are loved and nourished by Him. Imagine the freedom. You can take risks, try new things, even fail, knowing your identity is secure. This isn't a license for laziness, it's the foundation for boldness and generosity. The world says you are what you produce. God says you are mine. Let that truth sink in. You don't have to run on the treadmill of performance anymore. Receive the bread of life. Let Him be your source and strength. When you do, the hunger for approval fades, replaced by a deep, lasting fullness. Your confidence becomes steady, anchored in an unchanging truth. You are not what you do. You are a child of the Most High God. When you feel pressure to perform, remind yourself, my worth is in Christ. This truth protects your heart from the ups and downs of life. On good days, be thankful, but your worth doesn't skyrocket. On hard days, don't despair, your worth hasn't changed. You are defined by your provider, not your productivity. Let this truth lift the burden of performance from your shoulders. You are already enough, not because of what you've done, but because of who He is. Open your heart and receive it. This is the first step to unshakable confidence, knowing your true nourishment. It's not from achievements, but from your relationship with the bread of life. Rest in that truth, and watch your confidence grow strong. Jesus also declared, "I am the light of the world." Light illuminates the path and exposes what's hidden in darkness. Both are essential for real confidence. Maybe you're in a season of uncertainty, unsure of your next step. It's like walking in a dark hallway. Doubt and insecurity thrive in the dark, feeding imposter syndrome and fear. But Jesus says, when you can't see the way, I am your light. You don't need to see the whole journey, just the next step. Faith is trusting the light, even when you can't see the full plan. Your confidence isn't in knowing every outcome, but in knowing the one who guides you. Like headlights on a dark road, He gives you just enough light for today. Trust Him with each step. Light also exposes lies and fears. When you bring your insecurities into God's presence, they lose their power. Don't let imposter thoughts fester in the dark, bring them to the light. Remind yourself, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. God has equipped me. The lies can't stand in the presence of His truth. Even if the feelings linger, you're standing on the solid rock of His word. That's how you build resilient confidence, by walking in His light, not your own understanding. If you're in a dark place, remember, you have a source of light, Jesus. You don't have to figure it all out alone. Turn to Him, spend time in His word. Let His promises guide you. Your confidence isn't about clarity for the future but connection to the light of the world. He is with you in every season, every uncertainty. As you walk in His light, you'll find courage you never knew you had. Don't be discouraged by darkness. It's just an opportunity for His light to shine brighter. Keep your eyes on the light of the world. You don't have to see the whole path. Just trust the one who leads you. He will never fail you. Walk forward in His light. Jesus' final I am statement is the most powerful for unshakable confidence. I am the resurrection and the life. This isn't just about eternity, it's about His power in your life right now. Maybe you have a dream that feels dead, a setback that seems final. The enemy whispers, it's over. But God specializes in resurrection. When Jesus stood before Lazarus' tomb, hope seemed gone. But He called Lazarus out, alive. That same resurrection power is available to you. A dream delayed isn't denied. A failure isn't final. With God, there's always hope beyond the grave of your circumstances. Your confidence doesn't have to be buried with your disappointments. Remind yourself, God brings dead things back to life. He can resurrect your dream, restore what was lost, and turn failure into testimony. This changes everything. You can risk, try, and even fail, knowing failure isn't the end. When your confidence is rooted in His resurrection power, you're free from the fear of failure. Even if you fall, it's not over. The God who rolled away the stone can help you recover. What in your life looks dead? What dream have you given up on? Jesus is speaking to that situation. Come forth. Your job is to believe His power is greater than your circumstance. Start speaking life over what seems hopeless. Say, my God is a God of resurrection. He's making a way. Partner with His power. Build your confidence on His character, not your circumstances. He is faithful. He is powerful. He is the resurrection and the life. There is hope beyond your failures, life beyond your setbacks. God has the final say. I am the resurrection and the life. That power lives in you. Let it rebuild your confidence. Your past doesn't define your future. The resurrection does. Walk in that unshakable confidence. As we close, let this truth settle in your heart. Unshakable confidence isn't manufactured. It's anchored in the one who says, I am. He is your bread, your light, your resurrection. Build your life on these truths, and no storm can shake you. You are not your achievements or failures. You are who He says you are. Loved, valued, forgiven, equipped, and filled with purpose. That is your true identity. Walk in divine confidence, not your own strength, but His presence. God bless you. Remember, you are a victor, not a victim. Walk in that truth this week.
Enjoyed this video? Buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.
Enjoyed this video? Buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.